In this quick video guide, we're going to animate the body of a metahuman using a mannequin in Unreal Engine 4. So this is going to be a really easy operation. And another way we can animate the metahuman. So you can see I've already applied here a walk animation. And there are still some fixing to do, but what we want to concentrate on is the body. We don't want to, for now, we don't want to take care about the head. So what I'm gonna do is select the metahuman here and just gonna get rid of the animation on the body. So I'm gonna reset everything here. You can see this is now the natural A pose. And from this, I wanna add an animation using, again, the mannequin, which is already in Unreal Engine. Now, if you didn't use the third person template, you can still add some extra content by going in the content drawer or the content browser. You go to add, click here, go to add, and go to add feature of content pack. And from here, you can add features from other templates. So this one here contains a little bit of animation. So we're gonna use the third person, gonna click add to project. You're gonna wait a little bit and you're gonna find some extra folders now in your project containing the assets from the third person shooter template. So I'm gonna go here in the characters and I'm gonna go in the mannequins and we're gonna go into the animation here. And you have like female and male animation. Let's go for the female, which is the queen. And let's add another one. So this is the walk forward. Let's use the run for this example. So to retarget and use this animation on the metahuman, and let me close this, we don't need that anymore. To use this animation on the metahuman, or to use any other mannequin animation we can get from the marketplace or any other place, we right click and we retarget the animation. So now you can see the skeleton of the the mannequin, which is called Queen. And down here we need to place the metahuman. So the source will be the mannequin, the target will be the metahuman. So I'm gonna click on this list and I'm gonna look for this FSRT and RW body, which is for the metahuman. So it's basically addressing the body of the metahuman. So, and that's the only option we have actually. So nothing else appears here for the metahuman. So we're gonna assign that as the target, and you should see a couple of ends here appearing. And down here we have a list now of animations. If you type here we can see all the animation we can use. So double click. This is fall, this is idle, and you can export one by one if you want. This is walk forward, walk in place, etc., etc. So I'm gonna go for the walk in place, doesn't matter, and export the animation. Choose the folder. I created a folder here called body animation. Just export and export. And there you go. Now you have the animation right here. So all we need to go is all we need to do is go to the blueprint here again of the metahuman, select the body here in the details window, and here you choose the animation mode as use animation assets, and there's already something in there. So if we reset this, now it's empty. This is how it should be. Be careful that you are not in the play mode, otherwise it won't do the drag and drop. And then you can just drag and drop in here, and that's it. You close this, you can see it's already in pose. You can see there are already problems with the neck part, with the neck area, and with the head. If we press play, we can see the animation, and you can see it's not quite binded. Well, it's totally independent now from the rest. So we can add a separate animation for the face. So if I go in the face here and go again in the use animation assets, I can add anything I find here. Sometimes there is something here, sometimes there is not, but we dedicated other video guides on how to create facial animations using also audio. So you can see now it's kind of animating strangely there. It's kind of a test, I think, for the head. And you can see they're kind of unbinded. So we're gonna try to bind them together in another video. This is just to show you the animation for the body. So for the body, if you go here now, you can also select from the list, type and there are others like idle, and then you have the walk forward, etc., etc. So you choose one, apply it, and see if it's working. And focus on the body for this time. So you need to see if the hands, the head, the feet, and everything is well binded, and it is. It's just that we need to fix the head. So this will be all for this video. And subscribe if you want to stay updated for the next, and also join the channel as a supporter if you want to thank us. Check our other video guys. If you're interested in Unreal Engine, we have a entire video course about Unreal Engine, and not only metahumans, but everything, lights and scenes, etc., etc. So thanks, and see you in the next video guide.